Good morning, boys. Today we learn or practice some more problems, very important problems in this chapter. So x is a real number and prove that x by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. అంటే x అనేది వాస్తవ సంఖ్య అయితే మనం ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ బట్టి దీని యొక్క వాల్యూ చేసి మైనస్ 1 బై 11కి 1కి మధ్యలో ఉంటాయని చెప్పి మనం నిరూపించాలి. సో solution, let y is equal to x by x square minus 5x plus 9, cross multiplication of both sides. So y into x square minus 5x plus 9 is equal to x square y minus 5xy plus 9y is equal to x. So x square y minus 5xy minus x plus 9y is equal to 0. So x square y minus x is a common factor. X is the common factor. Minus 5y minus 1 plus 9y is equal to 0. Comparing with what is the equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to y, b is equal to minus 5y minus 1 and c is equal to 9y. According to the problem, x is real. Real means x belongs to R. X belongs to R implies delta is equal to greater than equal to 0, implies b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. Substitute the values of a, b and c in this equation. So b square minus 5y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into y into 9y greater than equal to 0. Expand the first term, minus 5 minus 1, both having minus n. Minus is common factor, minus into minus plus. So 5y plus 1 whole square. Expand this form, 5y whole square plus 2 into 5y into 1 plus 1 square minus 4 into 9, 36 y square greater than equal to 0. So 25y square plus 10y plus 1 minus 36y square greater than equal to 0. Simplify this. 25 minus 11. So minus 11y square plus 10y plus 1 greater than equal to 0. We take minus is the common factor. 11y square minus 10y minus 1 is equal to 0. Factor is this. Factors of 11 is equal to 1 into 11. So minus 11 plus 10 plus 1. Sum of this minus 10, product of this minus 11. So 11y square minus 10y minus 11y plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 11y is a common factor, y minus 1 plus 1 is the common factor, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 into 11y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 11y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 and y is equal to y is equal to minus 1 by 11. So according to the problem, this is the inequation values of y in the quadratic equation minus 11y square plus 10y plus 1 greater than equal to 0. So values of y is in between minus 1 by 11 and 1 అంటే రెండింటి మధ్యనే ఉంటుంది. So final value of prove this problem. Next another most important problem, 4 marks problem. These are the 4 marks problems. X is real. Prove that 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lies between 1 and 4. Difference between the previous problem and this problem, the values lies between minus 11, 1 by 11 and 1, but in this problem does not lies between 1 and 4. అంటే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఉండదు అని చూపించాలి, దాంట్లో ఉంటుందని చూపించాలి. So solve the problem. First take the given expression 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Factorize this. 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 is a common factors. So 1 into x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 4x plus 1 by product of this 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x plus 1 into x, 1x, so 4x plus 1 into 1. This is the given quadratic equation form. So let ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనుకుంటాం అంటే దీని y అనుకుంటాం. Let y is equal to 4x plus 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Cross product of this y into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1. So 3x square y plus 4xy plus y is equal to minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x square y plus x into 4x minus 4 plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. అంటే దీన్ని క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ తో పోల్చుకోవాలి. Here a is equal to 3y, b is equal to 4x minus 4, c is equal to y minus 1. X is real means x belongs to R. implies b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Substitute the values of a, b, c in this equation. 4x minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 3y into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Four x minus 4 whole square, a square, 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x into 4 plus 16 minus 12y into y, 12y square minus into minus plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. So 16 y square 16y square minus 32y plus 16 minus 12y square plus 12y greater than or equal to 0. Simplify this. 16 minus 12, 4y square plus minus 32 plus 12. So minus 20y plus 16 greater than or equal to 0. Factorize this. Take 4y square minus 20y plus 16 is equal to 0. 4 into y square minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Hence y square minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. Y square minus factors of 4, 1 into 4 or 2 into 2. Minus 1 minus 4 is suitable for this factorization. So minus 4y minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now in first two terms y is common factor, y minus 4, minus 1 is the common factor of another two terms, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 is equal to 0 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 4. Here y square minus 5y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So the values of y is equal to 1 and 4. So these are not belongs to